They've also named it their best idea with regard to its position in electric vehicles in the global auto industry as well.
How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over some massive, super bullish news for Tesla stock. We're going to be talking about why Goldman Sachs picked Tesla to be the top stocks to watch for 2021. We're also going to go over some important deals that Tesla signed. We're going to be covering all this important information. Of course, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock in detail, what to expect for Tesla stock. So all this important information in this video coming up. As you can see over here, we have Tesla stock today is sitting at $1,058.12. We're up 3%. As you can see over here, this stock actually gapped down today. It opened below $1,000. We talked about this $1,000 being very crucial for Tesla stock. We actually went below that and we slowly started to recover throughout the day. We had some important news that came out on the pre-market. Later on, we're going to be talking about it, of course, in detail. But when you look at the price action, as you can see, we slowly recovered and we went positive for the day and we closed up 3%, which is super good. When you compare Tesla stock to the overall stock market, as you can see, Tesla is up 3%, and it's one of those stocks that performed very well today. As you can see, we have Apple, which is only up 0.01%, Microsoft up, Google up 1.21%. The overall stock market was actually down significantly today, but we started to recover slowly. The only thing that's affecting the overall stock market right now is a potential rate hike coming up earlier than expected. So that is really shaking up the overall stock market. We have the crypto market that also went down. We have Bitcoin that actually went down below $40,000. So the overall market is just really experiencing a massive sell-off, and we actually recovered before the market closed. So that was relatively pretty good. But let's go over and talk about exactly some of the important news that came out for Tesla stock. And as you can see over here, we have Tesla named the top 2022 pick at Goldman Sachs, and they raised their price target from $1,125 to $1,200.
Electric vehicle maker Tesla, the biggest one out there in terms of the overall market share and, of course, market cap as well. Tesla right now down about 1.25%. This despite the fact that Goldman Sachs has upped their target price on Tesla to $1,200. They also call it an outperform buy-rated stock. They've also named it their best idea with regard to its position in electric vehicles in the global auto industry as well. They cite some of the market leadership position they have there, as well as the EV adoption trends being put in place right now in North America, Europe, elsewhere. They do say a risk, though, is if those trends don't play out, you could see Tesla valuations kind of adjust there.
So this was exactly some of the news that we were expecting. On my previous videos, we talked about when Tesla crushed the delivery numbers, we expected these type of analysts to come out and raise their price targets. And we expect also big banks, big funds to actually come out and raise their price targets because Tesla really crushed those delivery numbers. And as you can see right here, the main reason why they picked Tesla as their top pick for 2022 is because record deliveries. That's exactly what we talk about. Improving margins, ramped up production, which is of course we're expecting massive gigafactories to open in Europe and also in America and Texas. And also they continue to say ramped up production should make Tesla one of the best performing stocks of 2022 according to Goldman Sachs analyst Mark. So this kind of news is what we're expecting for Tesla to come out even more, because this is just one of the big banks. We expect other analysts to come out there and say and increase their price targets for Tesla because Tesla really crushed this delivery numbers. And of course, the earnings is also coming up. We expect some massive earnings numbers also for Tesla at the same time. So now let's talk about the other important news that came out for Tesla, which is Tesla signs deal for first U.S. supply of nickel with Talon Metals. So Tesla is going to be getting these important metals from this company, and they're going to be using it to build the batteries that we need. Of course, you got the 4680 batteries, which are super massive for Tesla. We talked about them on our several videos. You know, they're very cheap to make for Tesla. They have higher range and they're also faster to charge. Tesla will buy 75 tons of nickel over the next 6 years. That's going to be used to produce the batteries in Tesla vehicles. So that is a massive deal that Tesla signed. This is a pretty big deal because this is the first US supply for nickel for Tesla. So that is pretty good. So now let's talk about exactly what to expect for Tesla stock moving forward. We're going to be talking about it by looking at the price action and the technical analysis. Of course, before we talk about that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell. We talk about Tesla every single day. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe and stay up to date with what's going on with Tesla stock. And of course, if you want free stocks too, check out the links in the description box below. So as you can see here, Tesla stock tested this $1,000 price level that we talked about in our previous videos. We mentioned that if Tesla tested this support area, $1,000, and if it breaks down, it can get nasty, and if it recovers, it can have a massive bounce. And we actually got a pretty decent bounce off of this $1,000 level, and we're sitting at $1,058. So what to expect for Tesla moving forward? So for the next few days, we have some important economic reports coming out that can significantly affect the overall stock market. And if the overall stock market continues, to be shaky, if it starts to go down, it could take Tesla down with it together. But of course, Tesla is holding its ground right now. It is pretty bullish overall. We expecting even more analysts to come out, like Goldman Sachs, to come out and say that okay, they're raising their price targets and they expect Tesla to be one of those best performing companies in the near future. So we expect those kind of news to come out for Tesla. That's going to be super bullish. And we also have some of the important news that can come out from Germany and also from Austin that they could potentially be opening the Tesla Gigafactories officially. Once we get that news, that can also boost Tesla stock. So those are one of the most important catalysts that we're watching for the month of January. And of course, we have earnings reports coming in for Tesla in a matter of weeks. But as I mentioned, we have within the next 4 to 5 days, we have the Federal Reserve that's going to be speaking tomorrow. So that is really important. We have Jerome Powell speaking. So depending upon what he has to say, that can affect the overall stock market. We have on Wednesday the CPI numbers coming out, consumer price index. That is really important too. That can affect the price. That can affect the overall stock market too. So definitely keep an eye on it. But at the end of the day, we're super happy with Tesla stock. It showed its strength today when the overall stock market was just getting crushed. Tesla was able to hold this $1,000 level. We also had some more positive news that we expected to come out and help Tesla stock to go higher. So let me know in the comments section below. What do you think about Tesla stock? What do you think about Goldman Sachs picking Tesla as one of the top picks for 2022? Let me know in the comments section below. Of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, and if you want free stocks, check out the links in the description box below. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.